Hi guys, welcome to Mathematics Point. Today we will learn about the applications of distance formula. So let us start. So this is our first question. So what does it say? Find the distance between the following pair of points. Right. So I'm going to draw a line over here. Say this is point A, this is point B. So the coordinates of the point A are given 2, 3 and that of point B are given 4, 1. So this is x1, y1 and here what is it? It is x2, y2. Fine. Now the distance formula it is given by x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under the square root. So let us put the values. So what is x2? x2 is 4. What is x1? x1 is 2. So what do we get? 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 whole square plus what is y2? y2 is 1. So, and what is y1? y1 is 3. So 1 minus 3 whole square under the square root. So it will become 4 minus 2 which is equal to 2. 2 square 1 minus 3 that is minus 2 whole square under the square root. Now the square of 2 is 4, that of minus 2 is also 4. So 4 and 4 makes 8. Now we can make the prime factors of 8. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 under the square root. So what you happen to see? The pair of 2 is complete. So it will come out of the square root. So that will be 2 square root of 2. So therefore, the distance between the given 2 points is 2 square root of 2 units. Let us have one more example. Now see, here we are supposed to find the distance between these 2 points. So it is better to draw a line, give them the names A and B. So what is point A? Minus 5, 7. What is point B? Minus 1, 3. So again, AB, we want to find out the distance. So this is x1, this is y1. And this point, it is x2 and this is y2. So what is the formula? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under the square root. So let us put the values. What is x2? x2 is minus 1. What is x1? It is minus 5. So minus 1 minus minus 5 whole square. What is y2? y2 is 3. What is y1? y1 is 7 whole square under the square root. So it will become minus 1 minus minus will become plus, plus 5 whole square. And what is 3 minus 7? It is minus 4. Minus 4 whole square under the square root. So 5 minus 1, that is 4. 4 square. What is minus 4 square? Okay, I'm going to write it as such. In the next step, we will open the squares. The square of 4 is 16. What is the square of minus 4? That is also 16. Under the square root, we will get equal to 32. Let us make the prime factors. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. What you happen to see? Here, two pairs of 2 are complete. So they will come out of the square root. So that will become 4 square root of 2 units. So hope you understand this question also. Now, let us solve one more question. Here I am going to tell you a trick. Right? What is a trick? Look at it very carefully. So this is our first point, A comma B. This is our second point, minus a minus b. Now, how I am going to use the trick? Very simple. First coordinate is to be subtracted from the first coordinate. Fine. And the second coordinate is to be subtracted from the second coordinate. Let us do it. So, how it works? First coordinate is a, and we are supposed to subtract minus a. So we get a minus minus a whole square plus b minus minus b whole square under the square root. It will become a minus minus will become plus. A plus a whole square. Same here. B plus b whole square under the square root. A plus a becomes 2a. 2a whole square, and it will become 2b whole square, which is equal to 4a square, and the square of 2b is 4b square. We can take 4 common. It will become a square plus b square under the square root. Now the square root of 4 is 2, so 2 will come out of the square root. So the distance between the given two points is 2 times square roots of a square plus b square. So hope you understand this question. Thank you very much for watching the video.